Can you post a template in Capcut? If you want to upload and share Capcut templates, this process is actually very simple. But there's one important requirement most people miss. First, open the Capcut app on your phone. Now, tap on the Project section at the bottom of your screen. From here, choose or create your video. Make sure your video includes smooth transitions, effects, and a clean structure, because high-quality templates perform better on CapCut and TikTok. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the Export button. Here's the important part. Before you can actually post a template in CapCut, you need to be part of the CapCut creator. Without this access, the option to upload templates won't be available. Once approved, you'll be able to publish CapCut templates, share them across platforms like TikTok, and reach a wider audience. And that's it. Now you know how to upload and post templates in CapCut, step by step.